What's up? So it's my day off. Moving stuff around. We're gonna sell this motor. And on Facebook. Can't sell stuff on YouTube yet. Close though. 30 more subscribers. I guess we sell stuff on YouTube. Who cares? So I'm gonna clean this off with my little Susie Homemaker pressure washer. It's pretty bad. What do you suppose that is? I'd say that's a good guess. Alright. Lauren's gonna do a video for Facebook. Not well, isn't it? It's a good sign. There was something else. Oh, this is not attached. These two things. Can go on later. Oh, wow, I wonder what that goes to. That means there's an open hole. Oh, the air compressor. I betcha. Yep, air compressor. Alright, here we go.